So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to EQ. This is going to be an assessment task for TPX12A, which I'll give you a link, which is right down below here. This is supplied on the DVD that I have given you. What you need to do first is to read through this carefully and then watch this video. This video will go for about 5 minutes 50 seconds, and these are the terminologies that this guy will be explaining. So you need to sort of read through this and listen to this and watch this video 3 times at least to get an idea. Once you have done this, we're going to download these 4 files, and then we're going to open these up in Reaper. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Reaper and import these 4 files. I'm going to drag these 4 files into Reaper, separate tracks. So on these 4 tracks are separate instruments that need to be EQ'd. I'm going to silo these. So this is what it sounds like. For the guitar, this is a bass, this is a 4-tom, and another kick on here. Basically all of these need to be EQ'd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the guitar first. I'm going to loop this and play it, EQ it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on toggle, repeat, and press play. Then I'm going to go onto this channel and load up re-EQ. Click OK. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boost the frequencies to here, the unwanted sound I want. So this guitar sounds really muddy when I play it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boost this frequency here. I can click and drag, or I can do it this way on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boost the frequency and then sweep it across. So what I'm doing is I'm attenuating, which is increasing or decreasing the gain on the certain frequency, and then I'm going to sweep it. The bandwidth here is the width from here to here, where I'm going to find this frequency and see how much to remove or where that frequency is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sweep it first. So it's pretty prominent, around about 500 Hertz. Then I'm going to adjust the bandwidth. And then I'm going to bypass. So that's the sound that I can hear which I want removed. I'm boosting it to find out where the problem is, and then I'm going to take it away. So I'll take it to where it should sound, what it should sound like. So this is called subtractive EQ. So what I've done in summary is I've boosted to find out where that problem frequency was with that guitar. So if I bypass it, this is what it sounds originally. And this is with the EQ on it to remove that muddiness. So the next 3 audio files on these tracks, this is what you need to do. I'm going to do the next one, and I'll do the bass for you. But you need to be able to do this and use your ear to pick it up. The other 2 are for you to do yourself. And for the rest of this week, there will be an assessment task, TPX12A, which will have a couple of tracks of a couple of different instruments for you to EQ as an assessment, which needs to be done by next Monday. What I'm going to do is the bass. So I'm going to silo this one, and we'll hear the bass. Press S. I'll loop this again, so it's looping. I'll let up re-EQ by clicking on here. Go to Focus, re-EQ, click OK. Same thing, I'm going to boost the frequency up. I'm going to boost this up. Right now it's on 0, so if I click on here, that's the second band. So it's showing each band to go across. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to boost this frequency up. Then I'm going to sweep the frequencies. Boost it really high because I want to hear it a lot to see if it's that certain frequency. Bypass it. Is it that frequency? And it sounds like that's the one I want to remove. So what I want to do is I want to take it away on here. But before I do that, I'm going to adjust the bandwidth to see how much it's taking of it. It's just a certain area within that frequency range. Bypass. And then I'll take it away with EQ on. So it doesn't have that notchy sound on there, so you can hear it pretty clearly. Take it down even more. So it sounds a little bit more like a bass. So this is what it sounds normally. And this is what I've done to it. A little less muddier. Once you've done that, we're going to load up TPX12A. So I'm going to go on here, open project, save, no. So you're going to go to your DVD. So this, all these exercise lists should be copied to your hard drive, not played from your DVD. Load 12A, Subtractive EQ. So with this, you'll have a list of files, which will be 24 tracks. Each of these tracks need to be solid and then EQ'd for each instrument. So the first one will be an acoustic guitar. That needs to be EQ'd. What you need to do is you need to solo each track, put an EQ on every single track on here, and then EQ it. So you shouldn't be playing this whole track as 24 subtracks at the same time. They should be solid each time you do this EQ. You'll have till next Monday for this to be handed in. Thanks.